how to make money on Upwork as a programmer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money using Upwork.com. So let's get started by clicking on the get started button right there. And here we will proceed to creating our profile, and here we will need to join as a freelancer. So check the freelancer box. I'm a freelancer looking for work. Apply as a freelancer, and here you will put your usual information, first name, last name, email, and so on. For me, I'm just going to log in. I've already created an account. So here, continue with email, type password, login. Then you will proceed to creating your profile. So I'm just going to go back to the first step to show you everything from the beginning to make sure I'm not skipping any steps. So this is the first step. You click on get started, you answer a few questions and start building your profile. Apply for open roles or list services for clients to buy. Get paid safely and know we're there to help. So click on get started. Then you answer these questions, or if you don't want to, you can just skip them. And then you check one of these boxes, or you check two of them if you would like to find opportunities yourself, or if you would like to package up my work for clients to buy. I'm going to choose them both, and I'm also going to check this box as well. Then click on next to create a profile, and here you have three options to choose from in order to create your profile. You can just import your resume from LinkedIn, or you can upload your resume if you have it in a PDF file, or you can fill it out manually yourself. It will take less than 15 minutes, and that's what I'm going for. I'm going to fill it out manually, and here start a new profile, and here you type your skill. If it's a software engineer, JavaScript, iOS, I'm going to go with programmer. Then click on next to add your experience. So here, if you have relevant work experience, add it in here. I'm just going to skip this for now. For you, you can just click on add experience, and you can add it here, fill all of this information. Then you do the same as well with the education. Let's click on next. So here we'll need click on skip for now, and you will proceed to education. Here you can do the same as well. Just click here, add the education information like the school, degree, field of study, dates attended, description, and then you proceed to the languages. So here the English language is a must. If you don't speak English, or you're not good at English, you will have a lot of struggles. You will face a lot of struggles finding work. So I suggest, if you are bad in English, I suggest to go start learning the language right now. So here you choose the level of you in that language. For me, it's conversational. Then you add another language if you are skipping a lot, if you are speaking another one. So here let's choose Arabic, and my level is native or bilingual. Then click on next to add your skills. So here you can add maximum 15 skills. Here I'm just going to add programmer, and it's not found. Let's go with programming. See what do we have in here. Let's choose the first one, bug fix. Then click next to write an overview. So here make sure to write a good bio where you tell the world all about yourself. So guys, in order to enter a good bio, you can just go to ChatGPT, tell them a little bit about yourself, and it will give you a very good bio for your profile. That's the easiest way to do that. For me, that's what I'm going to do, but I don't want to waste so much time on that, so I'm just going to copy this man's bio. Sorry, Marty. And here, copy it just to skip this step. But for you, make sure to give it a little bit of time. The bio is very important because that's the first thing people see in your profile. The first thing they see is the profile picture and the bio. So give them a little bit of time and give them your attention. Then we proceed to choosing your category. Let's go with web development. Then next, set your rate. So here, let's choose $20 per hour, for example. Upwork takes 2 and leaves 18 for us. Then you add your photo. So as I said before, the photo is very important. It's the first thing that clients see, that possible clients see. So make sure to add a very professional photo where you show clients the best version of yourself. And logos, clip art, group photos, and digitally altered images are not allowed. So just keep that in mind. And when you're done with filling all of these information, click on review your profile. And after it's reviewed, I'm going to show you how to improve your profile. So let me just log out first. Click on Upwork. So in order to improve your profile, you will go to this search bar. You will type your profession or your skill. If it's programming, it's with programmer. And basically we will just spy on our competitors to see what are they doing, how much is their prices, how they interact with clients, what they are putting in their bio, and all of that we will see, and we will pay attention to everything they are doing, and we will try to do the same as them to get as many jobs as we can get, and to improve our profile as well. And if you want to find work easily, just go to find work in here, find work for your skills, and here you will just go to this search bar and just make sure to enter your skill like programming, PHP, JavaScript, and search, and you will find a lot of listed jobs to apply for. So you can just apply for these jobs, and if you are the right fit, they will pick you for doing the job. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.